In this video, we're going to cover Google Ads. So the first thing that we're going to go over is the different types of Google Ad types. There's a variety of different areas that we can place Google Ads on, and I'm going to show you which one that we're going to be mostly focusing on here. And then I'm going to go over the different search criteria, the differences between Facebook ads and Google ads. And then we're going to go over the Google Ads Business Manager, where you're going to be able to create your different ad accounts, create your different campaigns, your different keyword ad groups, your different ads. I'm going to walk you through the campaign hierarchy so that you can get a better understanding of how everything works. It's very similar to the Facebook Business Manager as well, where you have your individual ad accounts and you have your campaign objectives. So very, very similar. I'm going to share with you the differences between them two. And then finally, I'm going to walk you through a visual representation so you can see how everything is going to look from a campaign hierarchy perspective. So let's go right ahead and jump in here. All right, so the first thing that I want to talk about here are the different types of Google Ads. So you have the different platforms here within the Google platform that we're going to be able to place our ads on. Now, the main area that we're going to be focusing on is with the search ads, okay? The search ads are essentially when people are going into Google and they're searching for a particular service or a product, and then the actual related and relevant listings will show up according to what is being searched. So for example, let's say that you are looking for new pairs of shoes, or maybe you're looking for some plumbing services. So whatever your search criteria may be, and based on those keywords, Google then is going to pull up the various searches that they deem to be the most authoritative in that particular search query, right? And the search ads are going to be the best for local businesses because, like I mentioned, people are going to be searching for various topics, various keywords, various services. And so that local business that wants to get those calls, that wants to get those, leads coming in for that particular service, they're going to pay to get to the very top of those search listings. And there's a variety of different factors that come into play as far as which one shows up number one, number two, number three, and we're going to cover that as well in this particular section here. The other type of ads that is really more focused on retargeting, remarketing are the display ads. So just think about when you go to like Amazon or when you go to somebody's website where they're selling a product or service, more often than not, they're going to have retargeting set up where just like Facebook ads, where you essentially click on somebody's ad and you go to their landing page and that pixel tracks you. Every time that you go back onto Facebook, you're going to see relevant ads or related ads, right, from that particular individual, right? Let's say that you went to a landing page and you had a product or some kind of program that you were looking to purchase, and you didn't decide to purchase. Now, when you go back to Facebook, somebody's going to show you a Facebook ad that says, hey, I noticed that you landed on X, Y, and Z. Hey, here's an additional 50% off or whatever that may be. And so display ads are essentially the same kind of process where you go onto a website, you look at a product, you look at a service, and then the display ads will follow you all across the web. So this is the difference here. With Facebook, you're really just getting retargeted on Facebook. And with the display ads, this is where they're following you all across the web on all your different websites that you're searching. You can be on somebody's blog, you can be on somebody's website, and if they have the Google AdSense, more often than not, you're going to see those display ads. So it's a fantastic way to recapture individuals that may have had the intention to buy, but for whatever reason, they weren't ready. And that display ad is able to remind them and showcase them of that brand once again. So then we have the video ads. This is more for YouTube, obviously, where you can place your specific ads on top of videos that are related to that particular topic. So for example, let's say somebody's searching for an attorney and they go to Google and they look up divorce attorney or anything related to divorce attorney, or maybe they're just researching divorce attorney and kind of that whole entire process of getting a divorce. That particular attorney can actually put their own advertisements on top of those videos. and this can be any type of product or service. However, for most local businesses, it's not going to be the best idea to do video ads as far as putting their ads on top of different types of content, because a lot of times local businesses are just focused on one particular area, maybe 20, 30, 50-mile radius. So that attorney can have those ads show up to just individuals that are in a particular area. And so now they can capture that individual in their funnel, because a local attorney is only going to want to show up in a particular mile radius, right? So let's say 15, 20, 25-mile radius. And within the video ads and the back end, you can choose a location to just have your ads show up in, right? So obviously you want to, let's say be showing up in the Seattle area, if that's your particular, focus area, and you want to be showing that video ad just to people in the Seattle area that are searching for divorce attorney or DUI attorney, whatever relevant content, right, that they're actually looking for. And then we have the actual app ads. We're not going to be focusing here on this one in this particular program. Now let's talk about the Google search ads. And the difference here between Facebook ads is that with Facebook ads, you are targeting a specific demographic, a specific area, and you're getting people to see a particular billboard when they are not necessarily or really not looking for that particular product or service, right? We're interrupting them. They're on Facebook, they're being social, and we're placing an ad in front of them to get them to stop and to actually read the ad and take a specific action. So with Facebook, there's no search intent. People are on Facebook, they're being social, and then they're seeing an ad, okay? And then it's our job to be able to convince them, to make them stop dead in their tracks and get them to take whatever action that we want them to take. Now, the difference here with the Google search ads is that people are actively searching for what we're actually placing ads for, okay? So it's targeted digital ads based on keywords that are actually being typed into the Google search platform, right? So let's say somebody's searching for the best dentist in Los Angeles. So what happens is somebody goes into Google, they type in best dentist in Los Angeles, and then based on what Google deems to be the most authoritative for the Google ad search criteria, they're going to have their ads either 1, 2, 3, or 4, and they're going to show relevant ads based on that particular search query. So it's for people that are already searching for a particular product or service that they already know exists, right? Let's compare this to Facebook ads, where people don't know that a program or a product or something exists, right? That's why with like a dentist, they'll do some kind of special irresistible offer for like a free teeth whitening or, special discounted implant, whatever that may be, that is irresistible, that's stopping people, right? And they don't even really know that they want it, because just think about somebody that is wanting to get a dental implant that has seen a Facebook ad, right? We don't know that they are in the buying process. We don't know that they maybe have looked on Google already and maybe have put it to the side, put it to the back burner, and then now they see an ad on Facebook and now they're interested, right? With Google, the best thing about this is that we're already getting people that are already in the market. They are at a particular stage depending on what keywords they're searching, right? If somebody's searching, let's say, dental implants or dental implants in Seattle or dental implant information or pros and cons of dental implants, right? All of those particular search criterias, right, have different types of information that is going to pull back up for that individual. And it's telling us that they're at different stages, right? If somebody's searching for dental implants, pros and cons, they're more on the research phase. They're more of just trying to get some data and really find out if dental implants is something that they would be interested in pursuing, right? And then somebody who's searching for the best dentist in Los Angeles, we don't know what their end goal is. However, we do know that they're looking for a dentist, they're looking for a dentist in Los Angeles, and they're looking for the best dentist. Now, they could be wanting to maybe get a whole new dentist. They can maybe want a particular procedure done. Maybe they're relocating, whatever that may be, right? All we know is that somebody's searching for the best dentist in Los Angeles, and then Google's going to go and show that individual the most relevant, related, particular ads that will enhance that user experience. Okay, so we're targeting people based on specific keywords and groups of keywords. We're going to dive into that a bit more later in this lesson. And so then we're using a specific conversion tracker that's going to allow us to essentially keep track of all the actual data, the KPIs. Okay, so just think about a pixel for Facebook, right? That Facebook pixel that collects all of the data. We can create audiences. We can create different metrics. We can see how many leads have been submitted, how many purchases have been made. The conversion code is essentially the same thing, however, on Google, right? And we're tracking, all the different metrics, the calls, the leads that are coming in, purchases. So just think about the conversion code as the equivalent as the Facebook pixel, okay? Then we have the Google Ads Business Manager. So this is where we're going to create our account as far as for the Google Ads platform, and then where we can create all our particular ad accounts. And so the ad accounts, these are essentially for each client. Let's say you have client one that is a dentist. Maybe you have another client that is a, cosmetic dentist, and you have another client that is maybe in the, health spa or plastic surgery, whatever that may be, right? The ad accounts are specifically set up for each client. And then you have your campaign. This is where your campaign objective, your offer is set up. So what are you looking to accomplish here? In a particular campaign, this can be kitchen remodel. So just think about a particular campaign where we want to get kitchen remodel projects for a local home remodel business. And then we have keyword ad groups. And the keyword ad groups, these are where we're getting a little bit more specific. So just think about keyword ad groups where we're targeting different segments. So just think about home addition. So let's say somebody wants to add an extra room in their home. That's going to be an addition. Let's say somebody wants to get their, deck remodeled or a whole entire deck created, right? That can be all under the realm of home remodeling, right? Because there are different areas within the home remodeling space that the keyword ad groups are going to target. So you have, let's say, one particular keyword ad group targeting decks. So deck remodeling or deck, construction. And then another one can be, let's say, room expansion or home addition, where somebody's looking to get a extra room built in their home and they're looking for a contractor to help them with that expansion, right? So then we have the ads. The ads are the actual ad creatives, but these are all just based on text. So they're all just based on the keywords, the actual message that we have. And so really getting people to click on the ad based on the ad copy. It's not like Facebook where we have, images, videos, any of that. This is purely based on text, and the copywriting here is very, very important because it's going to get people to want to, click on one ad versus the other. And it's really about enticing people to click on the ad, because with every platform out there, right, they're looking to provide the best experience for the users. So if people are not really clicking on a particular ad, or it's not really helping the user experience, then they're going to lower that ad and place it lower on the actual search query than those that are actually at the top, that are actually serving the user and providing the best possible experience for that particular individual. All right, so now I want to show you the Google Ads account hierarchy. So you have your individual ad accounts here, right? This is where you're going to be setting up each individual client, and then you're going to have your specific offers. So just think about, if we're targeting bathroom remodeling contractors, okay, or maybe a home remodeling contractor, and one campaign is going to be targeting bathroom remodels, okay? And then under that bathroom remodel campaign, right, that particular offer, then we're going to have keyword ad groups. And the reason for this is, let's say somebody's typing into Google bathroom remodel, right? What is that really telling us? Well, it's telling us that somebody is searching for information related to bathroom remodel. However, that could be a myriad of different types of information that that person is looking for. So what we can do is then get a lot more specific with the keyword ad group. So let's say we have a bathroom remodel as far as the campaign, and then under that keyword ad group 1, we can have bathtub remodel, because bathtub remodel is very specific and it's under bathroom remodel. Because remember, somebody who's typing in bathroom remodel, we don't know what specifically they're looking to do. We just know that they're looking for information regarding bathroom remodel. So under there, we can have bathtub remodel so that we can be catching people that are looking for that specifically, right? And then in keyword ad group number 2, we can have a set of keywords that are targeting bathroom design. Because with somebody looking for bathroom design, right, that could mean a lot of different things. However, for the most part, it's telling us that somebody's either in the market to completely redesign their bathroom, or maybe they just recently bought a property, or maybe they're building a house and they want to design their bathroom from scratch, or maybe they just want to completely gut their bathroom and do a complete whole design, right? We don't know what specific situation that individual is in. However, we can target those people that are actually looking to do something in the realm of bathroom design. We don't know specifically. However, we want to catch those individuals that are in the bathroom design search phase, because we know that we can serve those individuals regardless of what they're looking to accomplish, right? So again, remember that Google Ads is all based on keyword search criteria. We're looking at what is the intent of the actual individual searcher, right? And then we're putting ads in front of those individuals that is relevant, that is, talking to what they're actually looking for, and then we're providing them the best possible experience, right? So then in campaign number 2, we can have kitchen remodel, right? And then under kitchen remodel, we can have maybe countertops, or maybe countertop remodel, or maybe appliance remodel, whatever that may be that is relevant and related to kitchen, right? Because somebody searching for kitchen remodel, again, right, is specific, yes, to an extent. However, somebody can be searching for a lot of different things under kitchen remodel. They may be looking for, let's say, a kitchen remodel design, or they may be looking for a specific area within the kitchen, maybe an island. Maybe they want to install an island or remodel their entire kitchen. We don't know. However, we can have another campaign, right, campaign 2 for that, and then have our individual keyword ad groups under that as well. So I really wanted to give you here an overview of the Google Ads account hierarchy and the differences here between Facebook ads and Google ads, where Google ads are targeting individuals that are already in the buyer's journey. However, they're at different stages of the buyer's journey, and we're looking to place the right type of ads that are the most relevant to that individual, right? So that's going to be it here for this lesson, and we'll see you on the next one.